This is a Honda K20 engine from an Acura RSX. This engine comes from the factory equipped with a power steering pump that is driven by the serpentine belt. It's a hydraulic power steering pump. There are many situations where you want to eliminate this power steering pump. For example, if you're swapping the engine into a car that has a separate electric power steering pump, or if you just don't want power steering. So to do that, you can replace the pump with a power steering delete pulley, and let's go ahead and take a look real quick at how we do that. Let's take a quick look at how we replace this power steering pump with a power steering delete pulley. The power steering pump is held by two bolts. It's attached to the belt tensioner pulley. These bolts come right off. Then the pump comes off. Now the power steering delete pulley assembly can go on to replace the power steering pump. These are M8 8mm bolts, so they would be torqued to between 15 to 18 foot-pounds. Now, obviously the diameter of this pulley is different. This means that the length of the belt required is going to be different. And depending on what you do with your AC, you will require a belt to fit your new accessory path. And in a later video, we'll show you how to measure the exact length of the belt that you need. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next K20 swap video.